Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn about the SQL commands. So there are five kind of SQL commands. First is DDL, data definition language, which work on the schema like create query of the table and alter query. We generally use in DDL commands. And the second is DML, data manipulation language. The next is DQL, data query language. The next is DCL, data control language. And the next is TCL, transaction control language. So we'll go through the commands in the reverse way. So I'm going to talk about transaction control languages, TCL. So we generally use these type of commands in the transactions. Uh, General transactions like sending of money, which handle the sending of money, receiving of money, and various transactions that are used generally in the banks. So this includes rollback. Rollback is the rollbacking of the commands or the cancelling of the commands that belong to any transaction. Commit a transaction means you have to save the data. You have to save the transaction up to a point. It might be till completion. It might be till midway. So the basic aim of commit is to save the data and save the changes. And the save point means if you want to save a data on temporary basis, not on database, generally on the cache, we use save point. And the next one is data query language. Data query language has one command which is select. In this way we can query the database. We can hit the database and fetch the results. It includes the where conditions along with the select statement to get the desired data. The next one is data control language. Data control language have the commands like grant and revoke. Suppose I am making a table or a database, and these are made on my credentials, and I can give access to another user to access a database or table. So we use the grant command. And if I want to revoke the access or take back the privileges from a particular user, then I use the revoke command. The next is data manipulation language. Data manipulation language includes the command which manipulates the data, which changes the data. Like if I want to delete a row, insert a record in the database, update a already present record in the database. If you want to lock the table so that any other person cannot either write or read any data from that particular table. Or the next is merge. Merge is an operation to merge the two rows of the existing tables in the database. And the next is DDL, data definition language. The data definition language basically works on schema or the structure of the database. Like create, it's used to create the table or the database. And alter is a command which is used to add a particular column or the modify values in the existing table. So alter is used for that. Rename is used to rename a table which is by its name suggests, rename a particular table or a particular database. And the drop command, what it does, it just remove the table from the database. And truncate, what it does, it just empty the whole table, but it does not remove the structure. So that's all for the commands, the type of commands.